Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Huggin' Munnin studio. Today I am going to be upcycling some waste or leftover felt to make some poinsettia flowers. Now these are big ones that I've been practicing on, and I think you'll agree that they've come out rather well. They're on wire at the moment, and my plan is to use them in Christmas wreaths, garlands. So that's what I've got so far, and one of them's with the help of a friend who popped in and got roped in. And what I've done in preparation is I've cut myself out some black discs, some green leaves, some petals of different sizes. I'm going to make a start now and see how many I can get done. Essentially, we'll start with a black piece. I should put the old glasses on, which is always a help when doing things. And starting by making a little hole. And then I'm taking my wire tweezery things, what are they called? Turning that nasty end in. Safety first and all that. Putting that knotted wire end into the middle. And essentially covering it with glue. I think that's about as safe as I can make it from the good old health and safety police. And then I'm going to pick 4, 5, go for 5 biggish from that selection. And hot glue, for those of you who have never used it before, is takes a wee bit getting used to. You get sort of a spider's web effect if you put it on and pull it away too quick. So to avoid that, I do a little sort of 1, 2, 3, sometimes 4, 5, 6. The other thing that is a feature of the hot glue is that you now and again get it stuck to your fingers. And guess what? It's hot. So you've got to be careful, and I wouldn't recommend this for children's kind of party. Because although I've never actually got a blister or anything, you certainly kind of it makes you jump if you get it on your skin. So you need to take care so that you don't get hurt. And I can feel the heat of the glue. Some of those webby bits coming. I can feel the heat of the glue coming through. So I've put on some petals there. I'm now going to just put another few on top. Press them down gently. And that one there is sort of tilted up. I don't really want it to tilt up, so I'm going to get it a bit closer with that other petal. That's better. So, in order to research this, I have discovered that Poinsettia, probably most famous are the red ones, but you can also get white. And then to my surprise, I've seen photos of pink ones, which are just amazing, really. So I'm going to put some of the tiniest ones that I've got right in the middle. That one in next. And we're used to seeing the poinsettia plants in around at Christmas time. They will go all year, but I think they're quite hard to maintain. You need to have green fingers. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put the glue for the green. Bit of a mess, this wee bit. A messy dollop. Come on, break. And put a little bit of green fluff, I would have to call it, in there. And then another dollop. The yellow. So we get both colours, I think both colours make it look good. I think I like the dark green best. And so I'm taking quite a big bit of green and threading it on underneath, and then we get it to show, turn it until we get it in the right place, best place, so that it can show, and then we'll put some glue on underneath. Same at the other side. of a poinsettia flower, all ready to be used. I thought I'd just do one more because I've got a bit of wire there for one. And now I've got quite a few smaller ones. Can't really decide whether to glue onto the black or onto the petal, so you might have noticed I seem to do a bit of both. Doesn't really matter. Now, this middle bit's a wee bit different from that first one I showed you. Instead of a yellow disc, I've got a mixture of bitties. Nice big bit of green. Needs a hole, not a hole with a lump of glue in it like that though. Nice clean hole like that. And it's making it nice and tidy at the back. We now have quite a selection of poinsettia. I think that's probably enough to be going on with. Tell me what you think, and I will endeavour to come back to you if you want to pose a question or two. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this, listening to me rumbling on. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.